Hi guys, this is Chris with marketingingenieurcm.com, and today's video I'm gonna talk and answer a question that everybody that would like to get involved or to get their hands if you're a newbie, if internet marketing, affiliate marketing works. I'm gonna talk to you a little bit more in depth. I'm gonna show you and answer your questions and say my answer from now, yes, capital letter, yes, it works. I'm gonna show you a quick video. Stick with me, watch the video to see my reward that I reward myself when I can as a result of the work I do with affiliate and internet marketing. So stick to me to watch a video on a very luxury yacht boat that I had the time to reward myself a couple of days ago. So if you are a newbie, brand new on this one, if you just started recently, if you are anything, if you ask me guys, if you started and working on an internet marketing, affiliate marketing anywhere in the last 6 months, that means you're still working on it, you're still trying hard to figure this stuff out. Unless you have a mentor to guide you from the hand and take you from step A to step Z, and again, you're gonna have to experiment because you need to find your own way, what's working best for each person. You consider yourself to be a newbie. I'm doing this for the last 2 years, and it's only the last few months that it started to kick in because you need to experiment. If your question is if internet marketing is working, if affiliate marketing is working, if there is a lot of scam out there, if there is people who are trying to steal your money, if you should follow this, let me take one by one. Is there a lot of scam out there? If you look the internet to find affiliate marketing programs that are working, is it a lot of people are trying to rip you off and get your money for something that doesn't work? The answer is yes. You have to be careful. Did myself fall into this? Yes, I did. When you are eager to learn, when you are eager to change your life, and when you are eager to stop working the 9 to 5, 9 to 6, 9 to 8. In my case, it was 9 to 9, almost 12, 13 hours a day. I was desperate to find ways to do. I mean, I was looking at the internet, all these guys with Lamborghinis flashing around with their watches here and there, and make it look very easy. It's not easy, guys. But you can start from somewhere, yeah? If you dedicate yourself, you need to be dedicated. If you're dedicated yourself, you're gonna watch in a minute how you can reward yourself, how financial freedom can come in. So my recommendation for you guys is when you're looking for a program to invest yourself in your time, which for me the most important thing is your time, right? When you're looking into finding a program that works, as you can see on my channel, if you follow my channel or if you just drop into this video, go ahead and browse on my videos. Usually I suggest things that I try for myself and they're working. Various different ways which are free, yeah, very important, they are free and will give you some money. As I tell you on my videos, including this one, my number one recommendation, always the one that I believe is working the best, and I change this if I find something else and I would like people to try it, is always located on the link description below this video. All programs you will see out there, if somebody's promoting you something, 99.9% of the programs that are good and they're paying out, they should give you the option to start for free. If a program feels confident about what they're selling, they should give you a free option to start with. And then you have different levels that you can upgrade. As an example, you start for a free membership, then you go to, I don't know, silver, gold, VIP, elite, and so on. But it should give you, if the program is good, and that's what I'm trying to pass on for you guys, if the program is good, if the affiliate option is good, if the internet marketing they offer you is good, they should give you the option to start for free. Play around to see if that is for you. If maybe it's a program that is not suitable for you. Programs that are out there, even if they're amazing and they're paying out good, might be not suitable for you or no matter, well, I don't know the reason. So it's not perfect for everybody. If you ask me, yes, I tried and I invested and I upgraded. I started with programs as a free member. I believed in them. I upgraded them. I paid a lot of money to scale up, and it didn't work out for me for various reasons. I didn't like, it was not what I expected. I tried, some of them I didn't try hard. I have to be honest. Some of them I didn't try as hard as I was supposed to do. So play around with my videos, guys. If you have some free time, look around on my channel, look at my videos. There is videos of almost impossible ways that you can make money. You can start for free. The most important thing for me is that you can start for free. If a dollar that's out of your pocket matters, it should be that way. Actually, you should not donate your money. If you do have $100 to spend to invest something, you should not throw them or donate them away to scams or people that just talk. Spend some time, see my videos, see my #1 recommendation. You can start for free and then scale up accordingly. Maybe you love the program, maybe you don't. If you don't, look for the next option. That's how it's supposed to be. So that's my advice for you. My answer is internet marketing. If you just started, if you're just watching this and you have questions, you are confused and so on, yes, affiliate marketing works, internet marketing works, but you need to be consistent and you need to put time on it. I did fire my own boss. I did quit my 9 to 5. I do have my own freedom. I have enough money coming in out of this to support me and whatever I would like to do. So my answer to you is yes. Go for it. Give it a shot. Try it. Be consistent. It will take some time. If you want to find fast routes to get there, maybe there are some. The best way is if you are able to get a mentor that actually can be one-on-one to you and not to buy those online courses that they will give you the way. Actually, the actual way that they can give you, there is a lot of academies, online academies right now, that somebody sold you a program that it could actually be great program, but they throw so much information, technical information and so on, you get lost. You don't know how to handle all this information. When you're a newbie on this one, there is a trillion information coming in from everywhere, and then you open one video because you're trying to find an answer for one question, and one video leads to another, and you are lost, and your brain will burn from knowledge that you don't know how to handle it, and then you end up saying this is too frustrating, or this is too much for me to handle. And I understand because I was there. Find something, stick on this, be consistent. Put your time on and energy on this, focus, follow, and you will see results. It's not gonna come from one day to the next. If you're lucky, you will. Yeah? A lot of people actually getting this. So maybe in a video in the future I can share with you how a 18-year-old from Thailand, 18-year-old guys, managed to do from $0 to $10,000 in less than a month with the recommendation I'm suggesting, with my #1 recommendation I'm suggesting on this video and my videos. Why? Because this kid had no idea, literally 18-year-old kid. I'm amazed and congratulations to him, because this is what it takes, motivation. You need to reach to a point that says enough, it's enough. You need to reach this point. You need to have this fire on you that said, I don't want to go to work Monday. I don't want to see that guy again who's called himself a boss. I don't want to do that. I don't want to do the same thing again over and over. I don't want Sunday night to come and feel frustrated because tomorrow morning is going to be another week. I have to do something that I hate. I've been there, guys. And most of the people don't like what they do when they have a boss that frustrates them. So I took the decision. I put time on it. I found programs that works. I found programs that definitely did not work for me. And my answer is yes. Try it, even if something fails or it doesn't work out from the first time. Try, stay focused, don't lose your excitement, and see how it works. Watch the video that follows with Mario, what I told you. Things works, and this is what you can get for you and your family on the video that follows in a second. Do click my #1 recommendation below. I ask you to subscribe to my channel to stay focused and stay tuned on the different ways I suggest. Enjoy the day. Thank you, subscribe, like, peace, start making money. Bye bye guys, thank you so much, bye. Hi guys, this is Chris with marketingtelersm.com, and on today's video I would like to show you how you can reward yourself if you work hard. So follow me, let me show you how you can reward yourself if you work really hard. We're gonna go and show you what we have for the day. Yeah, so let's go inside. Look at this, guys. A lot of people ask me for proof. If you work hard on how you can proceed and so on. I don't usually post results or anything like that, but this is what you can get for yourself for a day. Yeah, this is what you can do for a day, guys. So let's go here. Let me show you what you can do. Look at this. So you can proceed and close yourself and your loved ones when you work hard and you have goals. This is what you can do. So I'm here today too. I'm waiting for my charger to go out with some friends, expecting to come. So look at you guys. Look at this. So yes, this is the proof. Work hard, follow the systems. You can do it. Everybody can do it. Just you need to work hard and do it. Any questions or any assistance, I'm here to answer. So start working today, start making some money. Thank you, guys. This is Chris with marketingdirectcent.com. Don't forget to click my #1 recommendation video below this link, and don't forget to subscribe in order to stay tuned and start making money today. Thank you, guys. Bye bye.